So guys, for the first method, you want to go to search and type in services. Click on it. And now once you run this, we're going to scroll down till we find Windows Update. Scroll down till we find Windows Update. Double click on it. Make sure that you have the startup type on automatic and then click on start, which will then make the server status running, and then click on OK. Now you want to click on restart. You want to restart the Windows Update service. See if that works. For the next method, just above it, double click on Windows Time. Startup type, automatic, click on start to make it running, and then click on OK. Next, you want to go to search and type in change the date and time. Click on it. And now once you're on this, make sure that your time zone is correct. Make sure that you have set time automatically turned on. Now you want to scroll down and then click on sync now. Make sure that your date and time is fully synced up. See if that works. For the last method, you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now once you're on this, you want to type in sfc /scan now. And then click on enter. And you want to run this scan. Wait for this to load. Once that's been done, you want to type in dism /online /cleanup-image /restore health, and then click on enter. And you want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. Once you complete both those scans, just restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.